Next issue is we were here on DNA comparison and the phone dump and saying exam.
I believe I think it was the other co-defendant. We had conferred with Todd McRae. All of that discovery has been squared away. Other than that, there is a cell phone, but it's one of those that we can't guarantee that we'll ever get into because it's protected.
All right. And so has an offer been tendered?
I don't believe so, no. And Therese just got on this case, so I don't even know if she's been able to review anything.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson,
Yes.
Mr. Ruiz, we're going to do a 30-day reset. And that 30-day reset, you all are going to need to confer off docket. So that 30-day reset, Mr. Ruiz, is going to be your pre-deadline date. This case has been going on for discovery issues since August. What date, Ms. Ferguson?
April 4th.
April when?
4th.
All right, April 4th is your plea deadline date. After that date, the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll have to plea open to the court. Do you understand? Their offer is their offer. I don't interfere with any offers that are being made because those offers are confidential. Once the state tenders the offer to your attorney will tender that offer to you. Then you all will let the court know whether or not you're accepting the state's offer or not. So I'm telling the state that they're going to confer off docket, so they're not conferring in the courtroom. And on April 4th, we're going to come to court. And on April 4th, you're going to let me know whether or not the offer that the state has extended to you is accepted or not. If you decide to accept the offer, then the court will make a decision on whether or not she'll accept your plea agreement. If you decide not to accept the state's offer, you say, I'm not accepting this offer, then the court is not going to consider any further plea agreements between you or the state unless there's a good reason or good cause for me to do so. Otherwise, what will end up happening if you want to enter a plea, you'll have to plea open to the court, in which case you'll be subject to the full range of punishment or subject to probation if you're eligible for probation. Not saying that I will give probation, not saying what time I will give. I'm just speaking generally. All right, where's this case going?
At this time, Your Honor, barring any new evidence that might come to light, at this time we are proceeding as it is alleged. However, we certainly don't object.
Well, I mean, if I appoint someone, I'll appoint someone without state input. Yeah. But let's see where we are on April 4th. And depending on where we are on April 4th, then the court may do that.
But not yet.